Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. While Michael is working on his water pump gasket, I'm going to replace this crummy looking light and this light lens and this headlight here. The lens is cracked, behind the lens is just all really kind of messed up. This car's got some kind of overspray or something on it. I don't know what happened there, but anyway, I'm gonna get in here with 10 millimeters, take this out, and it's missing the back cover on it. I didn't realize that, but the replacement light I have should have that. So let's grab the tools, replace these two lights, and that'll be one thing down, 2 parts I can throw in the trash. Look at this 850 light harness. I saved it because it's not all cracked up and deteriorated like most of those SMV70 ones. The 850, baby, don't have the improvement from the SMV70s. The little clip that holds my trim there fell. I heard it land on this belly splash pan. So we're going to look for that. See if we can get it off of this belly splash pan. That's still on the car. Nice. Look how fresh that light looks compared to the last one. Got a spider or two in there, but that won't be no issue for me. Got all the back panels on it, the screws in it. I'm getting ready to screw the rest on it for the windshield wiper thing, and we'll be good to go. Putting it on. When I seen those lights on the fenders, I assumed they were factory. But man, I doubt they did that from the factory, so they've probably been added, even though I don't see a shadow of a Volvo symbol. So that's a little bit different. Anyway, this light's a lot better than the one I took off. Going back in with it. Guess I could clean that up a little bit. Nah. My spring was on upside down. Had to pull the light back out, put it back on right. But that little image there shows you how your spring should be on. And I didn't break it, so I should be good to go. Turned them on and they work. We're good to go. Time to find something else to do. I'm going to save the harness out of here. Throw this lens away, throw this casing away, throw the inside away, throw the lens away. I'm going to keep the spring, and I'm going to keep this piece here because I got people from Europe contacting me about helping them find these things here. So that's what I'm keeping. That's what I'm discarding. I got that battery tether off the car. I'll find somewhere else to put that. That's not a bad thing to have on a car that's going to sit a lot, which this car probably will. And I repositioned the ground post. I had a jumper cable on the ground post, so hopefully I didn't leave my battery code, but if so, I'll figure that out and go from there. So I gotta see if I got a battery clip handy I can put in there, keep my battery in place, and find something else to do. I am ready to change the wipers on this vehicle. This back one does absolutely nothing. Let me get some light on the subject here. Doesn't like being rained on. Come on. Really ain't no wiper blade left on that. In the fronts, I think I already showed you guys, kind of falling apart. The rubber's coming off of them. They actually work a little bit, but just not good. So I'm gonna change these wipers real quick. Jonathan actually helped me save some time by picking up the blades for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and swap them out while I wait for somebody here at the Home Depot. I have no idea what I'm doing with these wipers, blades. I don't know how to get them on, how to get them to stay on. It's like a piece just fell off. I don't know where it went. Oh, good Lord, I'm in trouble. So, let me see if I can figure out what fell off and where the piece went. Because I'm lost. Totally lost with these wiper blades. I thought I heard something fall down and hit this plastic. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Did that break off or that snapped off or... It looks broke to me. I don't know what's going on here. Let me see if I can figure this out. Yeah, I broke that one. One broke, one to go. Let me see if I get the other one on. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.